Python 3.9 is still in development. Now let's have a look at the dates for the 3.9.0 scheduled releases. As far as the actual scheduled releases are concerned, the 3.9 development began on Tuesday, 4th June 2019. The 3.9.0 Alpha 1 was released on 19th September 2019. Then 3.9.0 Alpha 2 was released on Wednesday, 18 December 2019. Then 3.9.0 Alpha 3 was released on Saturday, 25th January 2020. The 3.9.0 Alpha 4 was released on Wednesday, 26th February 2020. The 3.9.0 Alpha 5 was released on Monday, 23rd March 2020. And the 3.9.0 Alpha 6 was released on Tuesday, 28th April 2020. Now these are the actual scheduled releases. Now further, there are the expected scheduled releases dates for 3.9.0 beta 1 is scheduled to be released on Monday, 18 May 2020. There will be no new features added to 3.9.0 beyond this point. Then we have 3.9.0 beta 2, which is scheduled to be released on Monday, 8th June 2020. Then we have 3.9.0 beta 3, which is scheduled to be released on Monday, 29 June 2020. Then next we have 3.9.0 beta 4, which is scheduled to be released on Monday, 20th July 2020. Then we have 3.9.0 release candidate 1, which is scheduled for release on Monday, 10th August 2020, and 3.9.0 release candidate 2, which is scheduled to be released for Monday, 14th September 2020, and the final 3.9.0 final is scheduled to be released on Monday, 5th October 2020. So the next release, the first beta release of Python 3.9 will be 3.9.0 V1, and which is currently scheduled for 18th May 2020. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching this video. If something is not clear to you, you can watch this video again. After that, if you still have some confusion or query, leave a comment below with your questions. If you like this video, please let us know in the comment section below.